Nursery cartoon life journey with who I'm.
La 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 la. Yahoo! This is the best ride ever. In a land where colors dance and play, 5 angry birds like ducks glide away. With feathers ruffled, they're ready to soar, sliding down rainbows. Oh, what's in store? Their beaks are bright and their eyes ablaze. They quack with fury in whimsical ways. But as they slide into a shimmering hue, a magical change is waiting for you. First comes a splash of sunny gold, as one little duck lets its anger unfold. It tumbles through bubbles, pop, 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 and emerges all sparkly, can't help but hop. Next up is blue, like the sky so wide. Another brave bird takes the vibe to ride. Through balloons it rushes with giggles galore. When it pops them open, oh, what's in store? Green glimmers bright on the third little friend, who dives into color with joy that won't end. Pop balloons burst like laughter so free, now covered in colors, a sight to see. Then comes a flash of fiery red. This ducky feels fierce but has love instead, sliding through colors that shimmer and shine. Each pop brings out laughter, a moment divine. Last is a purple with elegance rare. It twirls through the air without any care. With each joyful bounce and every loud cheer, the world turns brighter when friends gather near. Now 5 angry ducks have transformed their fate, with colors so brilliant it's never too late.